everyone. Today we will discuss of finding the volume of the solid generated. We have the region bounded by the curve y is equal to tangent x. The line x is equal to 1/3 pi or pi over 3. And the x-axis is revolved about the x-axis. Find the volume of the solid generated. We will use this formula where v is equal to pi integration of f of x squared dx. We have the given f of x is equal to tangent x. The a and b are the limits of integration where a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1/3 pi or pi over 3. So all of this given will be substituted to this formula. So we have v is equal to pi, we have 1/3 pi and 0, then integration of tangent x squared dx. So the square root of tangent x is tangent squared x. So we have v is equal to pi, 1/3 pi, 0, tangent squared x dx. Then the trigonometric identities of this tangent squared x is the secant squared x dx. So we have v is equal to pi, 1/3 pi, 0, secant squared x dx. So we will use the integration by parts. So v is equal to 1/3 pi, 0, secant squared x dx. And integration of 1/3 pi, 0, 1 dx, which is the dx is 1. So we have v is equal to tangent. We will now integrate this and this by 1/3 pi and the 0. So secant squared x dx, the integration of that is that tangent pi over 3 from the 1/3 pi. Then sa 0, we have tangent 0. So here, 1/3 pi times 1 is 1/3 pi. 0 times 1 is 0. So v is equal to square root of 3 minus 0 minus pi over 3 minus 0. So square root of 3 minus 0 is square root of 3. Then pi over 3 minus 0 is pi over 3. So we have v is equal to pi square root of 3 minus pi over 3. So this is now our final answer. So the volume of the solid generated is v is equal to pi square root of 3 minus pi over 3.